like what we do is just like mistaken as like, okay, you're just gonna, you're just sitting on a computer and we're just banging out some posts and
How
stuff.
long does it take to post on Facebook?
It's a very specialized skill these days now. Before, when it first came out, you were able to go
Just
on
upload
YouTube, learn the basics and stuff. Like imagine, like today it's the equivalent of like never having used a smartphone and then you jump right into the iPhone 14.
Right.
Like imagine how you're gonna feel. Mm-hmm. And so that's exactly what's happening. And even if you do, digital marketing now has advanced to the point where like now, even if you do spend like hours on YouTube, like it's very hard to catch up unless you've just been doing this every single day. So like every update here and there, you can easily catch on. Like we run ads every single day.
Right, so we
it's
notice.
Like if like one thing moves, okay, like we still know the functionality. Like okay, no big deal, it moved from here to here and all. So it's I think in particular to this, like having someone just to even ask questions to goes a long way.
Yeah.
In terms of digital marketing, at least, and what it's become and what it's going to continue to become.